Attention truckers, let's tackle a topic that's on everyone's mind: fines. Nobody likes dealing with them, and they can take a big bite out of your earnings. So whether you're a seasoned cross-border pro or just starting out, these costly penalties can turn your profitable hauling into a frustrating loss. But don't worry, we've got you covered. And today we're diving deep into the top 5 cross-border trucking fines, and more importantly, how to avoid them. So buckle up, take notes, and let's make sure you stay on the road and out of trouble. Mistake number 1, submitting incorrect paperwork. It's one of the most common and expensive errors truckers make when crossing the border. A tiny oversight like missing a piece of required information or filling out a form incorrectly can lead to delays, penalties, or even rejection of your shipment. Here's how to avoid it. Take the time to double check every document before submitting. Use reliable tools like the Manifest portal or software solutions like Border Connect to simplify and streamline the process. A few extra minutes up front can save you hours of headache down the line. Next up, hours of service violations. Whether you're traveling from Canada to the United States or back, each country has its own regulations for how long you can drive before taking a break. Violating these rules isn't just dangerous, it is also costly. To stay compliant, rely on electronic logging devices to track your hours accurately, and don't push your limits or cut corners. Following these guidelines protects both your wallet and your well-being. And a little planning can go a long way towards ensuring you stay within the legal limits. Now let's talk about load securement. If your cargo isn't properly secured, you're not just risking fines, you're also endangering lives. At border inspections or roadside checks, improper securement is a big red flag. To avoid these penalties, follow the regulations to the letter. Use the right straps, tarps, or chains, and always perform a thorough check before hitting the road. Even if you think it looks fine, go over it one more time. It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to securing your load. For our next fine, overloading your truck can lead to some of the steepest fines on the list. Weight regulations are strict, and exceeding the limits can also cause wear and tear on your vehicle, not to mention safety issues. To avoid this, always check your load weight using weigh stations or onboard scales. If you're nearing the maximum, redistribute your load or make adjustments. Don't take the risk of crossing the border overweight. The fines are simply not worth it. Staying within the limits ensures smooth border crossings and keeps your profits intact. Last but not least, let's talk about permits and insurance. It might seem basic, but expired documentation is a surprisingly common issue. Missing renewal dates can result in costly fines and even downtime while you scramble to fix the problem. The solution? Stay organized. Use tools like Border Connect to receive reminders and alerts about upcoming expirations on your driver profiles and more. Keeping your permits and insurance up to date is one of the simplest ways to avoid unnecessary fines and delays. And there you have it, the top 5 cross-border trucking fines and how to steer clear of them. The key is preparation. Taking a proactive approach to compliance can save you money, protect your record, and keep your operations running smoothly. And if you're looking for extra support, Border Connect has your back with tools, training, and 24/7 assistance to ensure every trip goes off without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and here's to safe, stress-free travels. Stay sharp and keep on trucking. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to Border Connect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.